Hello everyone. So this is the Blue Yeti microphone. It is sealed. So I'm going to unbox it and see what is inside. There are a lot of reviews, good reviews about this microphone. So I want to try it. So I'm just unboxing it. So it's another box here. So this is the USB cable, and it's like a regular USB with a mini. So this comes with a booklet, which is the manual. Yes, it's in different languages. So this is the microphone. Feels heavy and it feels solid. Feels just like over a pound. This microphone has great reviews about the quality of the sound for podcasting or doing video streaming. So as you can see, there's a mute button, there's a volume. It's pretty solid microphone, really solid. So it has a gain knob to control, pattern. Mute button, volume button, mute button, volume control. Of course it can tighten here, you can adjust it and position the microphone. Just tighten it so it stays at whatever position you would like it to stay. So it has the USB mini side fits here, and this side goes to the computer. You have a headphone jack here that you can place a headphone. So this is all it comes with. Now this is more like a black, this is a black color. and I can face towards me the mute button and the volume so I can control it. So this is all that came in the box. Just the manual, the USB cable. So this is powered on with just a USB cable. And this, it's a very solid mic. And as I said, it's like over a pound. And this is used for like professional recording. It's a great investment. And this is under. It has like a kind of rubber surface so it don't slide when you place it on top of your desk. So you can buy a mag stand and just attach it on. And I can remove this if I unscrew it. So you have a better view of it. So I'm going to leave a link underneath this video where you can purchase this Blue Yeti microphone. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I thank you for watching.